Salim is 18 years old. His brother is half his age. How old is Salim's brother? So Salim is 18. His brother is half of his age. Half. That is 1/2. That means Salim's brother is 1/2 of Salim's age, which is 18. Please always read the statement, then you try to form the equation. So from here, you change multiplication, you change off with multiplication. That is 1/2 multiplied by 18/1. So you now work it out. 2 here, 1, 2 into 18, 9. Is because 2 will divide 18. If it not divide, so don't even try to do it. So now you have 1 multiplied by 9 all over this one, 1 multiplied by 1, which will equal to 1 times 9 is 9 all over 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 9. Salim's brother is 9 years old. It's very clear. 9 is the half of 18.